All right, this is 2.3 homework. First problem gives us this polynomial. Looks like a fifth degree polynomial. And they want us to answer this question. Here it is right here. It says the graph of f shows blank. How many relative maximum? That'd be 1, 2. And relative minimum, there'd also be 1, 2. And a total extreme, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 total. And it's increasing on the bounded interval from here to here. The reason why is because obviously it's increasing from here to here and from here to here, but those are unbounded intervals because they go all the way to negative infinity, all the way to positive infinity. So the only bounded interval where it's increasing is from 0 to 1. I think we've done this problem before, but when you have fourth degree, you can actually factor this one. X squared minus 3 and x squared minus 2. And then set each of these factors equal to 0, so you get x equals plus or minus the square root of 3, and x equals plus or minus the square root of 2 when you do that. And those are your answers once you list them from smallest to largest. All right, next problem gives us these different functions here in different colors, and it wants us to know if they're polynomials or not. So if they are, we'll enter in a p. If not, we'll enter in an n. So the blue one is the reciprocal function. That's y equals 1 over x, which is like y equals x to the negative 1. That's not a polynomial, right? Because it has negative exponent, so that is not. The green one is, obviously, it looks like a fifth degree polynomial. So we'll put a p in there. Purple one, I don't even recognize that function. It's not a polynomial. The red one is a polynomial because it's like y equals 2x to the 0th. X to the 0th is just 1, so it's really y equals 2, which is a polynomial. Right? We can have 0 and positive exponents only. And then the other one is not, that's an absolute value function. So that's not a polynomial. All right, the next problem says you have an aquarium that is 1 foot higher than it is wide. That means the height is the width plus 1. And 1 foot longer than it is high. That means the length equals the height plus 1. That's 1 foot longer than it is high. All right, it also says it holds 6 cubic feet of water, so the volume we know is length times width times height, which we know equals 6 here. So I need to get it. I have 3 equations, 3 variables. This should be a pretty simple